Hello guys, I'm Cheriyan. Today we are going to do little more problems from limits. Okay, let us start. Limit x tends to infinity, 6x cube minus x square plus 5 divided by 3x cube minus 100x plus 1. See, this is a special type of problem because the limit extends to infinity. Now, this type of problem, you guys need to take out the maximum exponent. That is, the maximum degree of the exponent is what? That is, degree of the variable is what? 3. Here the maximum degree of the variable is also 3. See, here the variable, the degree of the variable is 0, here also 0. So you need to take out the maximum degree of the variable. That is, the degree of the variable is x3. That is, take out x cube outside. Limit x tends, before that we need to substitute here x cube infinite cube, 6 into infinite cube minus infinite square plus 5 divided by 3 into infinite cube minus 100 into infinity plus 1. See, infinite cube is infinite cube, infinite cube minus infinite square, we cannot determine the value. So infinite divided by infinity, this is also we cannot determine the value, infinite divided by infinity. Why? Because 5 times infinity is also divided by 3 times. If infinity cancel, the answer is 5 by 3, right? If, see, 100 times infinity is also infinity, a big number. 10 times infinity is also a big number. So if we cancel here the answer is 10, here the answer is 5 by 3. So we cannot determine the exact value of infinite by infinity. So this is a indeterminate form. So we need to find out the limits. So I am going to take out infinite by infinite form. So I am going to take out x cube. See, when you take out x cube, what is the leftover here? 6. Minus, when you take out x cube from x square, you get 1 by x. This is important. When you take out x cube from s square, you get 1 by x plus 5 divided by x square. You understand this? See, when you take out s cube, the leftover is 6. Here 1 by x plus 5 divided by x square. See here, again you can take out x cube. What is the leftover here? When you take out x cube from 3x cube, you get 3 minus, when you take out x cube from 100x, you get 100 divided by x, 100 divided by x square, 100 divided by x square, then plus 1 divided by x cube. Oh, I'm sorry, there's a mistake. See here, x cube. 5 by x cube. See, when you multiply, when you distribute x cube inside, what do you get? 6 times x cube, 6x cube. S cube times 1 by x, you get x square. S cube times 5 by x cube get cancelled, answer is 5. Here also, see, s cube times 3, 3x cube. S cube times 100, x square, s cube and s square can get cancelled, then 1x, 100x, 100x. Here s cube get cancelled, answer is 1. X raised to 0 means 1. Okay, then you can cancel out this one. So what is next step is just substitute infinity here 6 minus 1 by infinity plus 5 by infinity cube is also infinity divided by a big number. Okay, 3 minus 100 by infinite square is infinity plus 1 by infinite cube is infinite. Okay, see what is 1 by infinite? 1 divided by a large number. For example, what is that? 0.00000. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Okay, a small number. It is very close to 0. So 1 by infinity is 0. 6 divided minus 0. 5 divided by infinity is also 0 plus 0 divided by 3 minus 100 divided by infinity is also 0 plus 0. So the answer is 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. See, this is a special type of problems. See, extends to infinity. If you see a limit problem like this, you need to take out the maximum degree of the variable. That is, x cube is the maximum degree of the variable. So take out that outside, you get the answer. No, cancel out and put the value, then you get the answer. Okay, the next problem. The next one is limit x tends to infinity. 100 x to the power 9 plus 22 divided by x to the power 10 plus 21. So here also, first substitute the value of infinity here. 100 times infinity to the power 9 is infinite plus 22 divided by infinite to the power 10, that is infinite, plus 2. So 100 times infinite is infinite plus 22, infinite divided by infinite. So indeterminate form, so there is a limit value for this question. So what is the method? Take out the maximum degree of the variable, that is x to the, here the x to the power 9, here x to the power 0. So take out x to the power 9. Limit extends to infinity. X to the power 9, then 100 minus 22, sorry, plus 22 by x to the power 9 divided by, take out x to the power 10. X to the power 10, when you take out x to the power 10 here, what is the leftover? That is 1 plus 21 over x to the power 10. See, x to the power 9 and x to the power, we can cancel out. What is the answer? It is x. 1 divided by x. Then after cancel out, you just substitute the value infinite to this variable. So 100, this is the answer, 100 plus 22 by infinite to the power 9, that is infinite, divided by 1 plus, this one cancel out, sorry, this one is x, I am sorry, x is infinite divided by 21 by infinite. So the answer is 100 plus 0, this one is 0, plus infinite times 1 plus 0. See, what is this? 100 divided by 1. 100 divided by 1 times infinity. See, what is 100 by infinity? 100 by infinity is also 0. 100 by, the answer is 0. The answer is 0. 0 is the answer. See, one more time I am going to show you one more time this problem, okay? See, here limit x tends to infinity. What is the common factor? X to the power 9. When you take out x to the power 9, the leftover is 100 plus 22 by x to the power 9 divided by, what is the common factor here? X to the power 10. When you take out x to the power 10, the leftover is 1 by x to the power 10. Sorry. Just 1. 1 plus 21 over x to the power 10. So you can cancel out this one and this one. X in the denominator. The leftover is x in the denominator. So what is this? This one is 0. This one is 0. When you substitute x is equal to infinity, this one becomes 0. The answer is 1 by infinite. X is infinite times 100 plus 0 divided by 1 plus 0. So 100 by 1 is 100. 100 divided by infinity is 0. That is the answer. Okay. The third one. Limit x tends to infinity, square root of 4x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by 3x. Okay, here limit x tends to infinity. First substitute the value here. Infinite square is infinity. 4 times infinity is infinite. Infinite plus 2 times infinite also infinite. Infinite plus 1 is infinity. Square root of infinity divided by 3 times infinity. Okay, what is square root of infinity? That is also infinity. Divided by 3 times infinite, infinite. So infinite by infinite, we cannot determine the value. So there is the limit value for this function. Okay. What is the method? If the question is like limit x tends to infinity, what you are going to do first? That is, take out the maximum power of the variable, that is x to the power 2, x to the power 2 outside. So when you take out x square from this polynomial, what do you get? The leftover is 4 plus, when you take out x square from 2x, what do you get? 2 by x plus, when you take out x square from 1 by x square. Okay, then 3x. See here, square root of, what is square root of x square? Square root of x square. Square root of x square is x square. Square root means the whole to the power half. 2 and 1 by 2. 2 and half. 2 times 1 by 2 is x to the power 2 times 1 by 2. 2 cancel. X to the power 1. So this is x to the power 1. That is x. Limit x tends to infinity. X, then square root what? 4 plus 2 by x plus 1 by x square divided by 3x. See, x get cancelled. After cancel, what do you need to do? Just substitute the value here. Square root of 4 plus 2 by infinite plus 1 by infinite square infinite divided by, there is no x here, okay, only 3, divided by 3. So the answer is square root of 4 plus 2 by infinite is what? 0 plus 1 by infinity is also 0 divided by 3. So Square root, what is square root of 4 plus 0 plus 0? 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 divided by 3 is the answer. 2 divided by 3 is the answer. Okay guys, one more question I think. Let me see. Yeah, one more question. Yeah, the last question is limit x tends to infinite, square root of 4x square plus x divided by square root of 9x square minus 3x. Okay, here also when you substitute infinite here, square root of infinite plus infinite, infinite. Square root of infinite is infinite divided by. Here also infinite minus infinite, square root of infinite minus infinite. See, infinite minus infinite is not equal to 0. Okay? Or just like infinite by infinite is not equal to 1. Not equal to 1. Why? Because infinite by infinite is 100 times infinite is also infinite, 10 times infinite is also infinite. If this guy cancelled, then what will be the answer? 100 by 10, right? 10. 5 times infinite also infinite, 2 times infinite also infinite. So infinite cancel. What is the answer? 5 by 2. That is wrong. So infinite by infinite, we cannot calculate the exact values. Infinite divided by infinite, that is why the answer is we cannot determine, or indeterminate form. So infinite minus infinite is not equal to 0. Why? 100 minus infinite, 100 times infinite is also infinite, minus 10 times infinite also infinite. So 100 infinite minus 10 infinite is what? 90 infinite. So that is wrong. That is wrong. So infinite minus infinite is not equal to 0. Okay? See, 100 times infinite minus 10 times infinite is 90 infinite. So that is wrong. Because 10 times infinite minus 3 times infinite is 7 times. See, different answer. So this is not correct. Infinite minus infinite is not equal to 0. Also, infinite divided by infinity is not equal to 1. So learn that, okay? So I am going to do this one. This is just for your information, okay? Let x tends to infinity. What is the highest common? What we need to do first? First substitute the value, then take out the highest variable. That is, what is the highest variable? X to the power 2. So take out x to the power 2. Then what is the left over here? 4 plus, what is the left over here? When you take out x square outside, 1 by x divided by, here also, what is the highest common factor? X square. 9 minus, when you take out x square from 3x, minus 3 by x. So after this, just cancel out this guy. Okay? What is the next step? After cancelling out, just substitute the value. Square root of, I am going to put 1 square root, that is fine. 4 plus 1 by infinite divided by 9 minus 3 by infinite. See, this one is 0, this one is also 0. The answer is square root of 4 by 9 That is 2 by 3. This is the answer. Okay guys, see you next time. Okay, bye.